all, I want to ask you guys, what is love?
We have presentation for that.
Can you present it in front?
Love is like the sun, love is in the air, love is everywhere, unlimited, every my love.
So thank you guys. Nice presentation. Our paragraph is entitled Crazy Little Thing Called Love. Love is a lifetime process that comes in many ways. First, love teaches people how to care for others, how to treat people with deep affection. It bonds every individual for a better relationship. Second, love lets people know how to be strong and how to resist pain, because love and pain are inseparable. People experience different emotions. Sometimes you cry, sometimes you laugh and feel worse. Sometimes people die because of it. Then, loving enables us to learn how to let go. It is said that life is not a wish-granting factory. Therefore, you cannot have all things you want. Because of love, we learn how